So today's topic is black magic done on foods, and this was a topic that many of you wanted me to talk about this because there were a couple of cases regarding this issue that somebody has given something to us, and from the time we've eaten in their houses, things have started changing in our lives. So does this exist also or not? Then definitely this black magic done through food items is a very dangerous form of black magic because directly they are trying to put something in your body by making you eating something. And let me tell you, mostly in I would say more than 50% cases, what we see is that whatever they make you eat, mostly it is the milk products, the sweets, and all that is related to sweetness. It can be sugar, it can be some sweet dish, it can also be a ready-made sweet purchased from a sweet house generally, and then they bring the barfi or whatever the sweet is, the ready-made sweet, and they will do things on it, the evil things on that particular food, and they will give it to you to eat. And the moment you will eat, in couple of days, I would say within a week or so, you will start seeing the difference. Now sometimes what happens is they're very clever, like I said, that they won't let you see the reaction immediately, because otherwise you will sense it that yesterday I ate something in a new uh, maybe in a new house, or where I went, or maybe from a new person, a friend, and why this is happening with me. So within a week or 10 days also you can actually start getting the symptoms. And what will be the symptoms? I'll tell you. The symptoms will be that suddenly you will start feeling uneasy. You can also have a lot of irritation in your mind the moment you eat that. I mean, couple of days also you can have this irritation. Then you will start, your brain will start getting slower than the usual stuff. You will start becoming little lonely. You will pick up corners to sit, And then another very important thing is that you can have issues in your stomach and your intestine, because also blood pressure issue. This can also be one of the things. You will stop listening to your family people. You will stop doing the normal things that you were doing in your general life. So the thought process will start changing. If you will go to the doctor, of course, be very aware and prepared mentally that nothing will come out once you visit the medical treatment, because no medicines will work on you, and even the detection of the problem will not be diagnosed. Okay, so now what are the precautions? So you need to understand, first of all, that is the reason we always say that you should not eat in everyone's houses. You don't know who the person is, you don't know what they have in their mind. They can be the sweetest lot among your friends, relatives, anybody that you know. Okay, and always remember that somebody was asking me that, Guru Didi, is it possible that once I visit someone's house, whatever they're eating, I make them eat first and then I start over? So I said an answer to this question that many a time this is successful, but many a time it's not necessary that only if they are eating the same thing that you're eating, it's okay. Because particularly on your name, they will have the same plates, they will have the same dishes. No matter, they eat before you and you're like, fine, he's eaten, she's eaten, I'm safe. No, because any of your family member also who's sitting along with you, if you are the particular target, this will only affect you. So the spell would be only given for you. Okay, so it's nothing to do with he eats before or we don't eat before, things like that. So when food items are the purpose, or are the symptom, or the reason for you to get into black magic, so what is the case? Now see, I always say that the best is to figure out, have the cow urine, which is called the Gaumutra, one spoon of Gaumutra every day. You will start feeling so much irritated within. If this is a symptom coming for 3 days, you can actually get to know that there is something wrong supernaturally inside my body. You will have major headaches, you will have issues as if you want to throw up also. Okay, that can be done to gauge whether this is something to do with the food item or not. Second of all, I always say that eat a tulsi leaf, the basil leaf, in your mouth before you go to someone's house. Okay, and people who come to us, we give them a mantra. We give them an energized mantra on their name, that whenever they have to go to someone's house, a new house, and eat something, before picking up any food item, they can just say the mantra 3 times. It's a small mantra, and anything that is regarding the food item will not affect them supernaturally. Okay, so if you're going through such symptoms, if you're thinking that you are a victim of a food item which is creating some paranormal things around in your life, you can get your diagnosis done, get to know about this, and even have a cure for it depending on what the case is. Okay, so I just wanted to inform on this, that it is true that food items do have issues and they can have the black magic recreated or created in your life. So be aware, and next week I'll come up with another topic. Till then, goodbye.